Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button. Let's get started.
This is gold hourly chart. As you can see, gold is trading in extremely lower channel. Since it has made a high around 2070, it is in extremely lower channel, and yesterday it tested around 1907. Market took a support around 1900 psychological level. That is not a technical level but a very psychological level, so market seems to take a support around $1900. Gold and dollar index both are in weak zones since they made highs. In fact, gold is in more pressure than dollar index, because this is a very safe haven asset and funds were trying to hedge against Ukraine and Russia's uncertainty. But now Russia and Ukraine war seems to be in a very stagnant mood and no major update from war. That is why gold is in free fall mode. Now today is an important day. We have Federal Reserve press conference late night today. The Fed will announce interest rate around 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Timing, and the press conference will follow after 30 minutes. I will update all the levels and every major update on Telegram and Twitter, so make sure you follow me there. Now today we will need to see how much interest rate Fed have gonna hike, because market seems to have absorbed nearly 0.5% already. So if there is a rate hike of around 0.5%, I don't see any major movement in gold prices. However, if there is a hike more than 0.5%, we will have a wild moves in gold prices. I will be updating regarding that, so don't worry. And one more thing, today is a Federal Reserve press conference. If you have not taken any position, or if you are planning to have any buy or sell position, make sure you square off every position before press conference. There is no major reward if you try to hold and gamble around Federal Reserve press conference, because there could be wild moves, there could be $20-30 candles. So I would advise you not to play with the news. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp message is flashing on your screen. Now coming back to the chart, gold seems to be entered in a quite weak zone, but only one resistance is needed. Then we will have a trend reversal in gold prices. So what is that level for today's trading session? Let's find out. Today's trend reversal level at 1932. Yes, if market break and sustain above this resistance, then expect gold prices to test around 1950 and 1970. These levels are valid till Fed press conference. Once press conference starts, these levels will not be valid. I will try to refresh these levels in streaming. You can join me for live streaming channel link in description and on your screen right now. You can join me for live streaming. I usually refresh gold, silver and other levels, because by the time we live stream, it's already 7-8 hours since we updated this video. So make sure you join me for live stream as well. Coming back to the chart now, let's move on to silver. This is silver. Silver have tried to break the resistance, but it couldn't hold above $25 and now trying to stabilize around $25. So let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. 2505. that will act as resistance. This is the range. If silver break and sustain above this resistance, then expect silver to test up to 25.40 and 25.80. Even $26 is also possible. Let's move on to oil. This is crude oil. Yesterday it tested around 93.50. It seems to make a base around 93.60, 93.50, and now trying to test around $97. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support for now. This base is a strong support now. Below this, expect $92 and $91. Major fresh selling will come only below this support now. Resistance is 99.50, around this level. Once oil break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 102 and 104 is also possible. Currently crude oil is in weak zone. In fact, all three commodities are in weak zone, so trade carefully. Let's move on to euro. This is euro. It is, interestingly, euro is still trading in positive zone despite crashing nearly 100 pips from peak. So let's have a look at resistance and support in euro now. Support at 945. Below this support, expect euro to touch around 910 and 850. Resistance at 1020. Above this resistance, expect 1050 and 1090. Currently euro is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound. Yesterday I have given a buy signal to my paid subscribers. We booked profit. If you want to avail paid signal, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is in description and it will also flash in few seconds on your screen. Now British pound is trading around 30.52. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support in British pound now. 3005, that will act as support now. If pound break and sustain below this support, then expect 29.80 and 29.50. Resistance 3105. Above this, expect 31.50 and 3200. Currently British pound is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to cryptos, then we will see Indian markets. This is Bitcoin. These are the levels I have given in yesterday's video. The support is intact. Resistance have changed from 40,100 to $41,500. The trend is positive till market is holding above 38,200. Let's move on to Ethereum. These are the levels I have given you yesterday. The levels have changed. The support now stands at 25.50. Resistance at 27.20. Trend is positive, so trade accordingly. Now let's move on to Indian market. MCX gold resistance at 51,750, support at 51,000. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button and select 399. To view copper, zinc and nickel levels, select 599 while clicking the join button. This is silver, currently trading 67,830. Silver resistance at 68,400, support at 67,100. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is flashing on your screen. Also join me for live stream on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. Make sure you subscribe and click bell icon, so every time I am live you will be getting a notification. Also follow me on Twitter and Telegram for latest market updates and data.
That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button for this video. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is given in description. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.